So this is Dr. Zakir Naik, and next to him, son Naik, and inshallah, they will stay with us for the next 4 days, inshallah, here in Sokoto.
It's a pleasure and honor for me to come to Sokoto, at the seat of the Caliphate, and to be invited as a guest by the Sultan himself. And it's an honor for me that all of you have done dua for me. And I pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that may He bless all of you and give all of you knowledge, and inshallah make you the future leaders of Nigeria and the future leaders of the Ummah, inshallah.